Before you take that first slice of your Christmas no-bake lasagna, stop.
Please don't eat it yet.
I know the internet makes it look like you can just stack your layers and serve, but that is the fastest way to end up with a slippery, collapsing holiday disaster on your table. And because I want your Christmas meal to be joyful, not stressful, let me tell you the truth in the simplest way possible. Any lasagna made with real lasagna sheets, ricotta, mozzarella, mascarpone, chicken, or vegetables cannot set without heat. The pasta needs softening, the cheese needs melting, and the layers need time to bond. Without that, everything slides apart the moment you cut it. When I made my Christmas lasagna video, a few people asked if assembling without baking was safe. And honestly, that same thought crossed my mind while making the video. So here is the clarity you need before serving yours. Bake your Christmas lasagna at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. That's the sweet spot. Just enough to melt your cheeses, soften your sheets, and activate that creamy, festive structure. If your dish is deep or has many layers, go toward the 35 minutes mark. If it's shallow, 25 minutes is enough. Once it comes out of the oven, this part is just as important. Rest it for at least 1 hour. This cooling phase is what locks in the shape, lifts the layers, and gives you those tall, beautiful Christmas slices. After resting, chill it if you want it extra firm for clean cuts or for making the iconic red and green layered presentation. So no, you don't need to bake it for hours.
But yes,
you absolutely must bake it for those essential 25 to 35 minutes. Heat sets the structure. Cooling locks the beauty. Chilling perfects the slice. Now, you know exactly what to do before serving any Christmas no-bake lasagna. And if you want the full recipe, step by step, and all the bold holiday layers, you can watch the full video titled, Easy Christmas Lasagna Recipe, No Baking Required. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Have a beautiful Christmas, and see you in the next fun food stories.